Find or read reviews that people are talking about BESTAOO phone holder and camera mount for Ford Bronco accessories 2021, 2022, 2023, 2-door and 4-door. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Why you choose BESTAOO phone holder and camera mount. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Customized design. Dash mount platform phone holder is specially designed for Ford Bronco 2021-2022, 2-door and 4-door. Not fits Bronco Sport. In addition to the function of the phone holder, it can also be used as camera stand, convenient and quick. The aluminum phone mount will hold your cell phone tightly, even on a bumpy rocky road. Super stability and safety. The ball seat and slide rail design allows you to freely adjust the angle and position, so that your cell phone or GPS to be easily viewed and accessed. Will make your driving more convenient and safety. No drilling required and no need to make any modifications to your vehicle. Install with existing screws, do not worry about in the violent vibration he will loosen. Heavy duty material. This for Ford Bronco accessories has a metal texture and a solidity feel. The aluminum alloy slide rail base makes it difficult to rust, giving you a durable cell phone holder. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.